introduction.
Hey, good morning. We are up at 5:30 in the morning, and we are going to be shooting some surfing scenes with Brian Swan.
That's right. We're feeling real good right now. We're going to his house for 5:45. Get coffee and talk about life. He's an unstoppable surfer, and you're about to see why.
It's right now, the big swell was 2 days ago, so it's coming down. We got a high tide, so right now it's typically right out there, which is looking good. You got about like 4, potentially 5 waves. It's looking pretty fun right now, but don't come here to surf, okay? So if you're watching this, go elsewhere. We don't want it too crowded. No, just joking. Actually, I'm serious though.
Going in. Our boys going in. What are you doing up on this ledge here?
Feeling really nervous. Trying to do a back sit flip.
Back sit flip?
Nervous.
Let's take a look over your shoulder here. That was awesome. I can only imagine how scary that must have been for the first try. All that means is it's my turn now, so I guess we'll find out.
Hell yeah. It just works. We knew it would. It's just scary, man.
Take 2.
Oh, hey, Kenzo. I feel it should just work.
It does. That's the thing. It does just work.
I haven't done it yet. All right, guys. I would start recording if I were you.
Oh my God. That did not look safe, but I'm glad it worked out. Yo, what's up everybody? Welcome to another episode of the vlog. We hope you've been enjoying our adventures so far. We are out here in Bali, Indonesia. We've been having a lot of fun. If you've been enjoying the episodes, smash that like button, hit subscribe, tell your kids, tell your wife. Anyways, guys, we have had a very busy day so far today. The crew has divided and conquered. Some people have been smashing emails, setting stuff up for the rest of the week. Visa runs, mad dashes to get supplies. We got an exciting day planned. If you're not already part of our community, guys, as you can see, we kind of move in this family where we all have our jobs, our roles. We divide, we conquer. We also come together and just have a load of fun. The beautiful thing about this is we are actually inviting you guys to join this family. We're so excited to share our most recent project with you guys. which is called Jet Setter Boss. If you're not already a part of this community, guys, I highly suggest you join it. Literally, we are teaching the world, all you guys, how to do what we do, to follow your passions, live a life that you want to live, and create a business out of it so you can actually get paid to do it. We've been working really hard on it, guys. We are literally out here doing what we love, and we are so excited for you guys to join us. Join our community, join our family, build a family of your own and bring them in as well. Guys, jetsetterboss.com. In the meantime, we got some more entertainment for you guys. We're gonna be doing a little event out here in no time. We will keep it a little bit secret for now. Don't wanna spoil the fun.
All right, let's do it. We are off on a mission to collect Chase for booze.
The task is Chase and 10 water bottles. We have 2 backpacks, 1 scooter. The rest, they say, is history.
Dorong means push.
Hello.
Okay, nice. This is what we need. We wanted what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
There's a
7.
couple cold ones too.
Okay, tough.
Great choice. 1 pineapple.
Lemon for sure, man.
3 there. Products for purchase.
All right, one step further.
Oh yeah. We got what we need. And more.
Works for humans, works for ants. Look at this. Just sliding along the floor.
That's actually amazing. I wonder where it started. Probably the garbage can.
Probably by the garbage can. So as you can see, I'm wearing my Malibu shirt. It says Malibro, whatever. You'll get it. And then also, in case I wasn't outside waiting, put this little towel down so that he drives by and he's like, oh, Malibu. Hint, hint, nudge, nudge. So the guy says he'll be here any minute, so I'm just kind of hanging out outside waiting. Then I thought maybe that she had it in her backpack. Maybe not. It was right, it is her. Haha. Perfect. Thank you, boss.
Thank you very much.
Okay, Sampai Jumpa. See you.
We did it! We did it!
What's up, bruh?
We got the Malibu.
No way. 4? We're up to 4 now?
We're up to 4. We're settling with 4.
We're spicing things up a bit on the beaches of Canggu, Bali. We are coconut bowling. We set up some pins, you know, little makeshift empty water bottle pins. Ken's spicing them up with some green color so we can see them. We've got coconuts, we got some Malibu rum. We're gonna shake up some drinks, watch the sunset go down and have a good day. Let's go! Rate your skills out of 10.
Oh, it would definitely be like a 10 plus.
Wow.
Fully.
How many strikes do you get today?
Well, you know, it's like I said, it's like it's not how you bowl, it's how you bowl.
bit of Malabowling here in Canggu, Bali.
Thank you guys so much for watching. We hope you've enjoyed our rendition of Malabowling or coconut bowling of some sorts. Anyways, hit that subscribe button if you like what you see. We're back with the daily vlog, and ciao for now, brown cow.